I love this park. They have so many trees, and also there is a big lake there. I will take you guys over there too. I wanted to go live, but my internet is not good, so I'm just gonna get some videos for you guys. It's so wet. It is raining in Texas. Is it raining, guys, wherever you guys live? I'm gonna take you guys. Also, do you guys know what badminton is? That's kind of a sport. I bought racket yesterday. We are gonna be playing badminton this week. Whenever we can, I will show you guys what badminton is if you don't know. Oh my god, this is looking so pretty. Look on my video.
Oh yeah. They shoot the police thing over there, and that's where it sounds like it.
Yeah, it sounds like gunshot, but I think there is police station and they are practicing. Is that?
Oh, those are the blue bonnets.
Oh, that's a blue bonnet. That's a blue bonnet. Texas state flower. Do you guys hear the gunshot? It's wet. Oh my god, my pant and my shoes.
We're not going. You can go over there.
I wanna go. If you love nature and park, you will enjoy this video. If not, you don't have to watch this video. This is the park that I had been wanting to come, but never had a chance. And also, I'm not bragging, but I feel like I have been more confident talking on YouTube, because when I first started, I could not even talk. When I would open the camera and I would just be silent. I'm just documenting myself. I'm having fun on YouTube, and there are so many beautiful souls who supports me, and some of them are selfish, but some of them are not selfish. They support me because they love me, and I appreciate each and everyone who supports me without being selfish. That's the kind of love and support I want. Look at this water. I'm not gonna talk, you guys just hear the water now, okay? Oh, the weather. We are supposed to get a storm today. There is blue bonnet. I have never seen blue bonnet closely. They are pretty. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog as much as I'm enjoying while recording this, because I love this kind of weather. Cloudy, rainy. I love sun. I love going to beach when it's hot, but I would prefer this weather. I think we just saw the snake.
Right there.
Oh my god, snake! You guys see this snake? Yes. Oh my god. There is one snake in our apartment too. It's growing. It's so big.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, 3 ducks coming over here. 3 different family ducks.
3 ducks are coming. Oh, they look so cute. This vlog was so random. I just opened camera, but this is getting more prettier and prettier. And also, I'm not gonna add music. If I add music, you guys will not hear the real sound of nature and water.
Look,
Yeah.
because they're coming towards you.
Oh, they are just having fun. That water must be cold today.
Mm-hmm.
I'm scared now. Texas does have snakes.
Yes.
Let's see if they are gonna come closer. Happy Easter, beautiful people. Happy Easter, beautiful duckies. Oh, they are looking so pretty. But yes, this is Texas weather. Yesterday it was hot and sunny. There is another big bird. Is that crane? Happy Easter, everyone. How are you guys going to celebrate Easter? And there is this breeze. If you guys can see from my camera, my quality is not good, but if you guys see that breeze, I think someone had jumped from that breeze and died here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I loved making this vlog. I was not planning on making this vlog because I didn't even know I was gonna come to park today, this park. But weather and nature and this water, everything was looking so pretty, so I just decided that I would take some video for you guys and for me also. Thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you guys have the best Easter and have a beautiful Saturday. Bye.
Look at everybody on the lights.
Look at the cheese ball.
I would say take the top off.
Oh my
It
god.
is.